Techno update. Subscribe now.
Amazon Kindle Voyage Review. Screen. The Voyage is special because it has the highest resolution display of any Kindle e-reader. Cramming 1440 by 1080 pixels into the same as ever 6 in size means a pixel density of 300 Those, of course, are all just numbers. It's what they mean in reality that makes the difference. Text is laser sharp with none of the jaggedness of the screen you'll get for £59. It's noticeably sharper than the Kindle Paperwhite's 1024 by 768 pixel display. Performance and hardware. Put side by side with a first-generation Kindle Paperwhite, it's easy to see that screen quality is a big step up, and not simply in terms of resolution and clarity. The backlight is much wider and brighter at the same setting. The processor also makes a big difference with super-fast page turns and almost tablet-like responsiveness when navigating menus and typing search terms, or your Wi-Fi password, on the virtual keyboard. Measuring 162 by 115 by 7.6 mm, the Voyage is a touch smaller than other 6-in Kindles, and also marginally lighter at 188 grams. There's 4 GB of memory to store thousands of books. If you're looking for additional protection for your device. We've not yet had time to run out the Voyage's battery, but Amazon claims up to 6 weeks if you read for 30 minutes per day, turn Wi-Fi off and set the backlight to level 10, which is barely noticeable in daylight, but enough to read in pitch black. Page press. Another of the Voyage's unique features is its touch-sensitive buttons either side of the screen. These replace the old page turn buttons which have been missing from Kindles for a couple of years now. They make it possible to go to the next, or previous, page when you're holding the Voyage in one hand. You press the long line to go forwards and the dot to go back. You can set the sensitivity of the buttons as well as the level of haptic feedback, which lets you know you've pressed one. Happily, you can set the feedback to a very small amount so it's barely felt, yet another way to keep your attention focused on what you're reading. The side bezels are quite thin and it's possible to accidentally press on the screen itself with your thumb and make the page turn. You can turn off page press, but not tapping or swiping on the screen to turn pages.